fingerprint sensor, and this one is a power voltage which we can supply to our Arduino Uno board. And lastly, we have the solenoid lock which helps to open the door. Hello guys, welcome to our Arduino Uno FingerPrint Door lock system. So let's begin with our project. So first of all, we have to go to the Arduino Uno software. So I already opened it. So we get so first of all, let's try to install the package so we can go over the process. So we should go to encrypt library, then we can zip file. So from our desktop or wherever we have put our zip file, we can just upload it here. So I have to save my downloads. So this one is here. So we just upload it. So this one is still, it has a library named Arduino FingerPrint Sensor library was already exists. So because I have already installed it. First of all, we need to connect the Arduino board. Menu bar, we can see the examples right here. So when you go down to the, so we can see Arduino fingerprint sensor. So we can just click here and we can see the enroll. First of all, we need to enroll our fingerprint. So it does. So our project can run smoothly. So now we can see our coding is already been installed. So we have done coding before. So this we have included in our library. So first of all, let's check if our coding is working or not, and just verify our code. So let's see, it's compiling the sketch, takes time. So there is no any error in our coding. So let's upload in our Arduino board. And you can see the serial monitor. You can just right click on it. We can see our fingerprint sensor has been found. Now we can just put the number, any number from 1 to 28, 1 to 27. You can put the on. We can put up to 1 to 27. So we can just put any number like randomly like 88. Just hit enter. And we can see waiting for fingerprint. Now just place the fingerprint right here. The image has been taken. So we have to put twice. So the fingerprint will be recorded. So you can see there's written place the same finger again. So we want to place the same finger. So yeah, image has been taken, and you can see the number 88. Yeah, ID has been matched and it has been stored. So as you can, the image has been stored. You can see the number 88. You can see in other, like we can go back. We can see the file. You can see the examples again. You can go again to fingerprint sensor. You can see the fingerprint. We can just put it in the fingerprint. Now this next tab is going to open. So we can just again verify. When the verify is done, we can just upload to our Arduino Uno. Yeah, then upload it. We can just go into serial monitor. You can see there is no fingerprint detected now. When you place our same finger again, it will say image is taken. When you place the